Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that JGGL token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. We are on research for the investing. According to the white paper, JGGL is an AI first social ecosystem that unifies content creation, publishing and promotion into a single seamless platform powered by its native token. AI powered social network. It merges a social feed with integrated AI generated tools for next image, music, and video, aiming to turn all users into creators. Proprietary AI pipeline. The project uses its own AI infrastructure, which it claims in 2.5x faster than competitors like GPT 5.2 and most cost effective for generating content. Utility token economy. The JGL token and ERC20 on Ethereum functions as the internal currency or fuel for paying for AI generation and advertising within the platform. JGGL token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 1.2 million JGGL token. JGGL token is listed on MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion to you in this project, up to 65% chance that it is a legit project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a potential advice. Do your own research for the investing approaching.